What is up, guys? Welcome on back to TK's Garage. And yes, you see where I'm at. We're at Carmax. Let's find out what Carmax will offer me for the Snow Bunny. I am very, very interested to see what Carmax will offer me for the truck, especially now that I've fixed most of the stuff that's on it. So let's find out. I want to get this done because I got to get to Home Depot and I got other stuff I got to do today. So let's see what they offer. So what is up, guys? Welcome on back to TK's Garage, and today I'm going into Carmax. They're going to go over the Chevy Silverado, and we're going to find out what they are willing to offer me for this truck. But while I'm here, I figure we'll look and see if there's anything else that I might be interested in that they have in inventory, and let's just see. This was unexpected. You know, you always run into Boston people at the weirdest times in the weirdest places. So I'm here to get a quote on the Silverado, and I'm like, you know what, let me just see if they got any other trucks in inventory. And what do? I meet a guy from fucking Weymouth. You gotta be shitting me. If you don't, Weymouth is a town across the river from Quincy in Massachusetts. So what we're gonna do now is go over here and look at this truck that I found that's in inventory that I think is way underpriced. So let's go take a look at it. Oh my God, Turbo TV would love that. That S6, man. Whew. They got some nice luxury cars out here, I'll tell you that. That 7 Series will be a disaster in 5 years. All right, they got a 2500 Ram. Oh. Let me see what that is, because I didn't look at that one online. Oh, it's gas. Damn it. And they want $47,998 for that. So we're going to pass on that immediately. They got another F Series, but the one I'm looking at is this F350. You guys see this right here? Now, I know you're going to say, no, TK, it's got the 6.7. And now, from what I've been told, the 6.7 is a decent engine, right? It's a 2016. It's got 115,000 miles on it, and they want $36,998. It's already got a topper, a bed liner, tires are brand friggin' new. Look at that. Look at that. The only thing that I know that they said they need to do on it is a belt. Makes sense. But outside of that, look at this, man. I'd be able to get the max care warranty. You know I would. It is a Ford. I ain't stupid. Got the tow mirrors. I could tow with this thing and everything, man. I could 100% put in work with this truck. I mean, little gasket thing, but she's clean. And the interior, I think it's still open. I think he told me he unlocked it. It is. Now, the only thing I would definitely change, head unit, leather seats. But I know you're going to say, well, it's not a 4-door, TK. It is. It does open. See these? They do open, but it's not a true big 4-door. I get it. I don't need that. It's just me. I got enough room to put my seat back, you know, for me to lay my seat back if I want to stop and chill or do something. I'm good. This right here is, man, I could put this sucker to work. I really could. Well, let me know what you guys think about this one. This might be the new Carmax vehicle. Now, I'd be stupid not to look at the other ones. And I do have a big 4-door 2017 F350. And it has how many miles? 58,000 miles. And this one is 55,998. So not bad. Big boy 4-door, clean truck. Damn, that's a bigger truck for sure. I like that F350 though, because it's not too big. It's not too big. Well, I'm getting my pocket is buzzing, so I'm guessing they have my offer on the Silverado. So let's find out what they offer me for it. Well, guys, there it is. If you guys want to buy it, you can buy the Snow Bunny. She has that Carmax. No, I'm just kidding. I know y'all were like, no. I haven't sold it yet. Got the Audi e-tron on deck, Prius. Got a lot of electric stuff here, man. The Bolt EV, several Tesla Model 3s on deck. Look at that. You know what part of the car market that hasn't gone down? Those. That F-350, if I was looking at that just a few months ago, look at that, 60,000. Wow, it's got some kind of system running. You can hear it trying to keep itself cool. What's this one? 47,000, huh? Okay. Well, they do have some deals out here. They definitely do. I don't know who's buying a GT. Huh. Got a regular RT with the 5.7 Hemi in it. Old school. It's starting to grow on me, that old body style again. With those headlight and tail lights. Got a nice little Cobra over here. They got some stuff out here. Hey guys, so got my offer for Snow Bunny. That's a nice little picture, right? I got my offer for the Snow Bunny. What do you guys think they offered me? Let's go in and discuss. All right, I'm hot, sweaty, and miserable, but I think this actually worked out. I found something I really wanted, and we got a price. Let me go ahead and throw that up on the screen right now because I got it in my email as well as on paper, but visual things is what works for you guys, so boop. Yeah, guys, I couldn't believe this either. $31,600. And that's just with the features that come with this truck. I am literally blown away. Like, that is so much more than what Carvana offered. So there you have it. I mean, over $6,000 more than what Carvana offered. This is why I said, you know, like, I know a lot of you guys are like, sell it to Carvana, sell it to Carvana. And I know a lot of you guys said, well, TK, but what about this, and this? Or you have to notify them that the vehicle has been flooded. I do all of that. You have to do that legally. But as long as the title does not have a brand on it, these dealers don't give a shit. So made it very clear, it's in the paperwork that I'll have if I decide to sell this truck, that this truck was wet. It was a flood vehicle. But the title is not branded. That's on the insurance company that never branded it. So it is what it is. But what I can tell you is over 30 grand for this? That's what you're going to pay me for this truck? Damn. Damn. So here's my thing. You saw what I just looked at, right? That F-350 was what, 36,000? If they're going to give me 31 for this, and I can get that for 5 grand, I'd be stupid probably not to do it. I don't have time to do it today. I swear to God, look. I got to go. I got to get to the friggin' airport. And my temperature gauge is busted again. It says 32 degrees. 126. I got to be wheels up by like 6 o'clock. So now I got to go back to the house, take a shower, grab my bag that I'm taking with me to go, and go. So I'm not excited about this trip. It's really not a pleasant trip, but I got to do it. And hopefully I've shot enough videos and enough content for you guys over this time that I can keep you guys kind of filled in. And I might actually do a video while I'm there as well. So stay tuned. You know, we'll get it all done and get it all in. But anyways, let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. What should I do? Should I trade in the Snow Bunny on that F-350? Should I sell, just straight up sell this truck, or should I keep it? What should I do? Let me know in the comments section down below. Anyways, until next time, thank you guys very much for watching. I truly appreciate it, and I will catch you guys very soon on the next one.